Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. Not morning. What am I thinking right now? 43 degrees. It's actually cooling down a little bit today. Still sunny outside. We got Frank first in the chat. Frank, Paul, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Rich, Dark Bro, Rich, No Toes. Thinks he's first, but he's not. Rich, Dark Bro, Al Pacino, Dark Bro, Metapockets, Rich, No Toes, Dark Bro, No Toes. Dark Bro, Nick F, Dark Bro, Rich, Dark Bro, Patrick. Thank you very much for the super chat. Frank, you are indeed the market combat champion. Dilly, baby. Thank you very much, Patrick. Oh, yes. And thank you very much, Frank, for being first in the chat today. Absolutely appreciate that. And the super chat to go along with it. Dark Bro, Rich, Dark Bro, Patrick, Dark Bro, Rich, Tony, Pat, Dark Bro, Hemi Life, Paul, Pat, Dark Bro, Pika, Dark Bro, Emma, Pika, Tony, Emma, Dark Bro, all of you guys. Thank you very much for being in here right now. We have got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen closing up heavy today. A 16.22% gain on AMC. Looking very good there. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 13.11 right now. GameStop 2066. Bitcoin 24,500. The Nasdaq getting ripped 2.5% today. It is either going to bounce off tomorrow. If it goes down tomorrow, it's going to be a pretty dangerous line coming back down, sitting at some major support at this point in time, and currently sitting right there at that close. GameStop closing the day down 6%. Pure Therapeutics down 5%. AMC up 16%. Ethereum down 2%. Shiba down 3%. Dogecoin down 2.5%. Bitcoin down 1.5%. Sundial finishing the day down 6% at $1.94. Mullen Auto closing at 25 cents. CEI $1.78. The SPY $3.99. BBIG 52.8 cents. Highcroft Mining losing heavy today, down 11%. Jumping up after hours a little bit. But no, look at this day on Highcroft Mining. Wow. That is terrible. Look at that. That is horrible on Highcroft Mining right there. Netflix 337, QQQ 294, and Ape sitting at 221, down 7.92% of the day. Very hard day for everything except for AMC. AMC actually performed pretty well today. Let's see. Work. Moji, what's going on, Moji? Glad to have you in here, man. Sean, I love your recent videos on Shib talking about asking questions. I feel we have the right to ask questions. Dude, we got the right to ask questions as investors, definitely. But even as people, man, you always got the right to ask a question. If somebody takes away your right to ask a question, just don't take that seriously. Always ask questions. I mean, you don't need to like throw tantrums or anything, but definitely always ask questions, Sean. Always ask questions. Smash that like button. Good deal, Moji. Glad to hear it. It's cool, bro. Though I'm managing something. I know I missed something. Vote no. Mike. Yeah, actually, I think you should vote no, right? I think you should vote no on AMC. You guys can vote yes, no, whatever you want, but I think a no vote's the way to go. Stay safe, Mo. Yes, Mo. Always stay safe, whatever you're doing, man. You missed another super chat. You know what? No, you were so late on that super chat, dude. I had already fallen asleep and taken a nap by the time you sent that thing. Ryan, my friend, I thank you for this super chat after super chat. It's like you're paying the family, man. It's like you're paying the family. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat. Ryan, man, thank you very much for the super chat. And Ryan, thank you very much. Uh-oh, what's going on with the video here? Get rid of that. No, let's just, okay, get rid of that one. Ryan, I thank you again, Ryan. Thank you very much, Ryan, for the additional super chat. Ryan, you just continue. Keep it coming. Thank you very much, Ryan. Patrick, one for the road, Moji. One for the road. Why am I still frozen? What is going on? Hold on. I can't still be frozen. What is happening here? Hold on. I gotta fix this. I gotta fix this camera. Something is obviously not right about this situation. Let's see what's going on. Alright. Okay, there we go. God, that was dangerous, man. What if I was holding the camera in a weird spot and it came back on like that? That would have been dangerous. So glad you guys are still here and you didn't leave me on that one. Keith, good afternoon to you. Tony D, we got one for the road. Mo G, authorized hydration. Thank you very much, Patrick. Man, it feels good to stay hydrated. Pika! Pika power! Yeah! Pika! Pika power! Yeah! Pika! Pika power! Yeah! Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that one as well. We've got, how do you fall asleep in 5 seconds, bro, Clay? Dude, it was more like 50 seconds, man. No, I don't know. It could have been 5 seconds late, but it was definitely late. I don't know if it was 5 seconds. I obviously was not sleeping at that point in time, but it seemed like an eternity, man, and I felt like I didn't jip you. I felt like I didn't jip you. If I'm gonna be honest, I felt like I didn't jip you. I felt like you were late on that one because I counted to 15 too. I mean, you're giving you guys the benefit of the doubt. Let's see. Freeze! Yeah, I know, Rich. That was definitely weird. I feel like Satoshi is like the dark side of Satoshi. Ooh, yeah. Or either that or he's just friends with like Gary Gensler and something and he's really trying to take over the world because they're not yet coming after Shiba Inu coin and I feel like they should. If they're going after Terra Luna Classic and it's a $1 billion market cap, dude, they should be coming after Shiba Inu coin. The SEC should be coming after Shiba Inu coin if they're going after Terra Luna. Long-term retirement portfolio closed the day down 2.7%. Brutal day in the market after options fee. That MPW covered call I sold netted $14.31. Took $14 and added another 1.1 shares. Ex-dividend date March 13th for 29 cents. Very nice, Frank. Dude, Frank is just milking it, baby. Frank is milking it. He's taking that rag and he is just squeezing all of the milk out of the market that he can. Hitting premium after premium, hitting dividend after dividend. I like it, Frank. 2.7% decline on the day, though. Yeah, that's because look at the left-hand side of the screen, man. Everything was red today. It was a very difficult day in the stock market. Love the energy. Pika! No other way to bring it. No other way to bring it. How you feeling, Frank, by the way? All current options expire this Friday. There you go, Frank. And Frank, you want to get called away? You going to get some nice capital gains if you get called away, or you want to hold your stocks? Let's see. Whoa, slow down on the coffee, bro. Actually, I only drank one coffee. I drank 1 cup of coffee today, man. Actually, it may have been slightly less coffee than normal, too. Yeah. It was probably slightly less coffee than normal as well. Wasn't even that much. We need a referee. You didn't wait 15 seconds. Oh, I waited 15 seconds. I did. Here is actually one thing that I would recommend if you guys are, and this is not me being like, send me super chats at the end of the stream or whatever, but if you really are thinking about sending a super chat at the end of the stream, probably one of the prudent things to do if you're trying to get it in before the end of the stream is actually up. For some reason, and I don't know why, but you can start to lag a little bit more because I can see it too. And I go based on not what I'm doing on Streamlabs, but what YouTube is feeding back to me. So I'm even starting my count after the delay is already there. So it's honestly like 30 seconds after I actually end. But when we're starting to get to the end of the stream, we'll start doing the shout outs or whatever. If you guys want, just hit refresh or leave the live stream completely and then come back in. Like if you're on the computer or whatever, just refresh it. If you're on your phone, completely leave, shut it down and reopen it if you want to. And then that way you'll be as up to date as possible. So when I do start to actually close down and stuff, you're not going to be 20, 30, 40 seconds behind and lag for some reason, which I feel like some people do get that deep of a lag sometimes. Clay, you good, bro? You got trains explode and metal shops explode. Any idea what's going on in your state? Explosions going on over here, Emma. Yeah, I'm good. So far, so good, right? Until I get a train that's a couple miles away, until that bad boy starts to explode or something like that, I'm gonna be good. Till a factory around here or something explodes, I'm gonna be good. But I have no idea what they're doing, man. Why come after Ohio if this is literally orchestrated? I don't know, right? You don't really have factories explode and they haven't said the reason the factory exploded yet. And okay, maybe there are train derailments often. They're trying to say it actually happens a couple times a day that trains derail in the United States. But trains carrying heavy toxic chemicals don't necessarily spill out, and then people, instead of, transporting those chemicals off site and disposing of them properly, they don't necessarily decide to leak them out into trenches and then burn them like toxic bombs. That stuff's a little weird, yes. But yeah, I really don't know what's going on, Emma. They're coming after me. They're single-handedly coming after me, and I'm not going to let them get me. Not going to happen. We send super stickers a lot more at the end of every super chat. Claybro's best friend taught me that. All right, Ryan. Perfect, man. You owe Ryan, Claybro. No, I got him, Pudgy. I got him at the beginning. Sorry, Missouri isn't much different. Yeah, Ohio, I'm telling you right now, dude. I don't get their fascination with Ohio right now. I'd prefer no call aways. Only green I had at the market close was BMY. Arona still got me messed up. Yeah, you're going to get your energy back by the end of the week, though, Frank. You'll be good on that one. It'll take a minute, too, but you'll get it back. And, can you taste anything? I never lost taste. I think you guys are all fake news on me when you say you lost your taste and smell. I think you guys are all fake news on me on that one. I'm Twitter bashing. Twitter bashing, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Claybro should become Batman and fix Ohio. See, the good thing about cities like Gotham and New York, when these villains attack these cities, there's a lot of crime that takes place there where you can just easily hop out of your window and go attack the crime. Like, you're good crime fight. Dude, if I'm going to be some sort of a Batman, dude, I might have to drive like 35, 40 minutes, man. By the time that happens, the guy's gone. Done got away. Like, what the heck am I going to do with some vigilante hero? I don't think I can make it, man. I don't think I can make it in Ohio. I'd have to move to a Gotham or something. Hello, Clay brother and fam. JB, what's going on? Missed my comment about Bone Clay. I'll try to get it right after I say Richie's Play Talk. Thank you very much for the super chat. Does beer count as hydration? No, not authorized hydration, but I actually don't know. Is beer hydrating or is it like dehydrating since it's got an alcoholic value? I actually do not know the technical answer to that question, but Richie, I'm going to say no, it's a dehydrator instead of a hydrator. Taking the day off, I own 2 businesses and I auctioneer and have been with another company for 33 years, so day off, it's beer. Richie's Plain Talk. Enjoy it, man. I'll hydrate with you. Richie, man, hydrating together. Patrick says, yes, it does. Richie, Patrick, here's another one. Oh my gosh, Tim says, yes, it does too. Tim says, you guys are going to make me pee, man. Tim says it also counts. Oh. Patrick, Tim, Richie, thank you guys very much for the authorized hydration. That's what I like to hear. Never surrender. Dehydrate, Clay. No, never, Emma. Come after me. I'll never surrender. Thank you very much, Emma, for the King Monkey. Ryan, thank you very much, Ryan. Thank you. Thank you very much for the super chat, Ryan. I thank you and I thank you and I thank you. Ryan, you send a super chat, man. You're like my brother. You're like a brother to me, Ryan. Thank you very much. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for that. Oh, gosh. That is so much harder than you guys actually know, man. I'm telling you, that is much more difficult than you guys know. I got to get a little Pika hat or something for this one. Pika. Shing. Pika. Shing. Pika. Shing. Pika. Shing. Pika. Pika. Thank you very much for the super chat. Ryan, Outdoor Smile, Emma D, thank you, Tim, Pat, and Richie. Thank you guys very much for the super chats. Absolutely love it. You guys are incredible, man. Pika! Yes! That guy does look a little mad, but he's got the whole, like, Ash Ketchum vibe going on. And then throw the Pika out there. I like it. Must have missed the Pika. Did not see what he missed. Take lead! You drink coffee. Sean, yes, I do. Drink coffee. Straight up black coffee, man. Don't put nothing in it. I tried to put cream in it for a while, dude, but it makes you go to the bathroom. So I said, forget that. I'm not gonna go to the bathroom like that just because I want some cream in my coffee. So straight up black coffee, man. Zinc deficiency following the C word is common. Loss of taste and smell is a symptom of that deficiency. Gotcha, old rounder bro. So I may not have had a zinc deficiency when I had the C word if I did not lose my taste and smell. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, Richo, thanks for asking. Heck yeah, Bud Ice, Tall Boys, Jameson, nicotine, and hate is all that keeps me going. Well, dude, at least you got something to keep you going, Tim. At least you got something. That super sticker needs the Pokemon hat. The super sticker does need the Pokemon hat, JB. That is exactly what I think when I see that sticker there. Is Ash Ketchum getting ready to throw a little Pikachu ball out and start to have his little battle, man. To my tinfoil hat theory involving my ID program recently implemented in East Palestine for some suspect reason. Yeah, that was actually weird, too. I saw some videos on that. Yeah, that's weird. That is weird. Replace hate with a doobie, Tim. Listen, I am not in any way condoning that type of activity, but I will actually say, hate is very unhealthy. It really, really is. So I really don't know if replacing it with that would be any healthier, but dude, hate is extremely unhealthy. So yes, that is not me condoning that type of behavior, Outdoor Smile, but dude, hate, man, hate is just, dude, it's like a little dark hole, dude, that you crawl down in, man, and you start to suck everybody else down in there with you, and it can ruin your day before you even wake up and get out of bed. So yes, not condoning, but it could be better than hate. Ruben Satoshi still has 2 more ramblings to go. That he does, man. Hey, Clay, what's with resistance and support for AMC? Ryan, let's check it out. Man, Bitcoin is getting hit hard right now. Clever, how much would it cost to make a Claybro hat? JJ, I don't necessarily, I don't know how I would make a hat. I don't have like an embroiderer or anything like that. So I don't have one of those. Now when they're sending you lead, when they're sending lead at you, something, I had the IRS and the SEC. Yeah, Tony D, I don't know if, I really don't know if anybody has ever stated, I love the IRS or I love the SEC. I really don't know. And if you work for the IRS in here, I'm legitimately going to ask you why. Also, if you work for the SEC, I'm legitimately going to ask you why. But, yeah, I don't know anybody that is, even the people that work there probably don't like them. It's just, it is what it is, man. I've never heard anybody say that they like them. Right, I watch the hippos at the Cleveland Zoo all the time on Twitter. They do not seem dangerous to me. Shout out to Fitz. This dude is watching hippos at the Cleveland Zoo. Oh, gosh. Now I gotta go watch these hippos, too. Outdoor. I work for a defense manufacturer for my day job, so the devil's lettuce is a big no-go. Well, then he's got the hate, man. He's got the hate. He's preaching to an angry Scotsman. You guys are crazy, man. Bought some bone at 30 cents. Richie, dude, you gotta be feeling really good about that right now, man. Put SBF around and SBF around and find out. Find out what the SEC and the IRS are all about. You SBF around and find out. I like it, Pat. That's a pretty good one, actually. Who do you think Bone will drop? Yes. Also, your thoughts on Leash. Thanks, bro. Okay, so I'm going to pull AMC up here so that we can see the next levels on this. So I'm going to say yes. So we're going to look at this in a second here. You guys can remind me of that. Clay, my Twitter is just NFTs and animals at this point. The rest of Twitter is crap. JB, I'll actually agree with you on that, man. I'll actually agree with you. The rest of Twitter is probably crap. There are some cool animals though on there. I've seen a lot of pictures of some nice animals and stuff. all of the NFT and crypto projects, they do tend to get a little weird because there's a lot of like spam and a lot of scam going on with crypto talk on there too. But dude, like Twitter is just a political debate room, man. That's all it is. The only people who get actual engagement on Twitter are people who are saying like, you know, Republicans are the best, all the Democrats are idiots. Or the Democrats that are saying Democrats are the best, all the Republicans are idiots. That's the only type of post that gets, unless you're Elon Musk, then you've got like 100 million followers. And of course, he's going to get engagement on anything that he says. But yeah, dude, it really is. It's very crazy, man, how much people try to divide and spread that hate that Tim is eating out there. Pika! This is going to be so good. I can feel it. Hold on. It's so bad, man. That last one was good though. You gotta admit, that last one was really good. The first two were, I was getting ready for the last one there. Those first two, I don't know about those. Those were practice cows. Those first two were practice cows for sure. Crypto taking a little bit of a hit right now. Bitcoin back down to 24,200. Let me answer the Bone question. So yes, I do think Bone is going to drop. Why do I think Bone is going to drop? When the Shibarium beta is released, people are kind of anticipating thousands not thousands, but millions, billions, trillions of Shiba Inu coin to be burned with Shibarium. The Shibarium beta release is probably not going to burn any Shiba Inu coin because there's nothing built on Shibarium. And beyond that, you know, we still don't know what this looks like, man. If projects literally have to apply to be built on Shibarium and they are not allowed to build at their own kind of pace and they're not allowed to build on their own accord, that is not a decentralized blockchain, man. That is 100% centralized blockchain, and I'll actually write a letter to the SEC telling them to investigate Shibarium and the people behind it. If there's one central authority that determines who can validate, that's central right there, which they already claimed they are doing. So that's a wild authority when it comes to Shibarium. And also, if they vet every single project that's allowed to build on Shibarium, that is a 100% centralized blockchain. And at that point, I probably will just tag the crap out of Gary Gensler and get a bunch of people to really look into it at that point, because that's not decentralized. That's actually a huge problem if one person is controlling an entire blockchain like that. So yes, I will single-handedly bring Bone down if that's what we see for Shibarium. But regardless of all of that, when Shibarium is released, I think that what we're going to see is disappointment. Disappointment that nobody's built on it yet. Disappointment that it's not burning billions of Shiba Inu coin. Disappointment that it's not all it's cracked up to be, because people are expecting a public release, not a beta. And when that disappointment sets in, the price is going to drop. When the price drops and you know, you can go pick it up again at cheaper prices, great. Then, maybe next year, we see the public release happen, and that's when people should be excited, and that's when people should really, you know, value invest in something like Bone or Shiba Inu coin and stuff like that. So the beta is not going to be all it's cracked up to be, and people will be disappointed after the beta is released. Let's go back down. Ignacio Good. That cow wasn't bull crabbing around. No, he wasn't, Pat. That was the real deal. Hey, bro, if you ever have seen cattle in person, you gotta crap and stick your tongue out of your nose when you do the move. Okay, well, listen, that's gonna require a much higher than a $2 super chat, and that is also going to require a different platform for me to do that on. So if we're going to start an Only Moves account, I could start an Only Moo account, and yes, I could stick my tongue out, crap, and moo all at the same time, all you guys want. But it's not going to be taking place on YouTube. That is for my Only Moves. That's a play on, for anybody out there that doesn't understand what I'm saying, that would take place on the OnlyFans account, and you guys would have to pay a lot of money to see something like that, in case you missed it. Richo, pretty much not feeling it anymore. Something I know I missed about in crypto. From now on, I am doing it through wallets, no exchanges. Dark bro, probably a pretty good idea. It legitimately also probably a pretty good idea to make friends with somebody who lives in a different country or a legitimate cold storage wallet. Think about prohibition times, okay? There's a very good chance that they make it illegal to own cryptocurrency in the United States. If you own it, you may be owning it illegally. It may be like moonshine. Okay, so don't talk about it anymore. If you do own it, we can continue to discuss. You know, I can discuss illegal things all day, right? As long as I'm not condoning that activity, we can continue to discuss these illegal activities and things like that. But yeah, you might want to make friends with somebody that you trust and that lives in a different country if you want to have access to your crypto. Shib is selling hamburgers and fancy underwear. SEC will hit them soon. Yeah, they really are, man. And that's the thing. Like, Welly's project, Welly's meets every part of the Howie's test. John Richmond meets every part of the Howie's test with these NFTs that they sell to raise money, to further their business purposes, and in hopes and expectations that those NFTs go up in value so that the investors in those NFTs can make money. Not only that, they take it a step further, and they've apparently got distributions or dividends. So, yeah, dude, the SEC is going to hit Shiba Inu coin here pretty soon. I don't know what they're waiting on, man. They're probably waiting on some sort of a fallout or whatever so that they look like the shining white knight that comes in and saves the day after the scam is revealed or whatever. The Calabro only move. Jeff. Jeff is my first subscriber. I know he would. Missed a lot of my comment. Ryan, you're going to have to say him again, man. I promise, man. I'm very sorry about that. I feel like whoever has been trading Bitcoin by the book the last 5 days has had their booty handed to them. I am seeing another sell signal coming up at 7 p.m. Should we fade this sell signal? Old rounder. I don't know, man. I don't know, because it's looking like we could get a pullback all the way back down to 23,000 on Bitcoin. It has retested this resistance at 25 today, unable to break through it. On its way back down now. So 25, dude, like this is a really small line in the sand right there. I'm going to make it a big one, and we're going to make it a red one, okay? Unable to break this line right here, and should be able to break up through it if we expect a continuation to the upside. Right now, we might be channeling between 23 and 25,000 on Bitcoin. As far as AMC is concerned, a guy asking about, very sorry that it took so long, a guy asking about the next level of resistance and support. So right now, longer term or wider range, you're looking at the next level of resistance being all the way up here at $7.50. That comes from way back here in September. That comes from the level of support back in November into December, and we tapped it, tried to break up through it at the beginning of February on February 6th. 750 is your level of support or level of resistance, that you want to watch out for. Support obviously taking place at about 540, 550. So we could come back down another 10% before we hit that level of support there. But you got to look out for this intermediary range that we're in right now. This little level back in October, this candle here in December, this candle here in January indicates, in the bottoming of these wicks right here at the beginning of February, indicate that we may be approaching or at some resistance right now. So it's very difficult when you try to put resistance literally every 5 to 10%. So I'm not going to put a line there, but just know that we're approaching a little bit of resistance right now, but the major level is at 750, and then major level of support is what we just broke through today, and that's at 550. So that's what I watch out for, 750, 550. Coming back down to the minute charts, watch out what's going on here. And coming back down to the bottom of the chat, we got JJ. Thank you very much for the super chat. Starting a fund to get Calabro a bro hat made. Let's get it done. JJ, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Now, I got to know, okay? I got to know. What kind of hat are we talking about? Because this is I'm not a super hat guy. I mean, that's why you're always going to see the hair kind of like this to begin with. I'm more of a Jimmy Neutron type of a hair guy than I am a hat guy. But what type of a hat are we talking about, dude? Because I'm thinking, I do have a couple hats that I rarely ever wear. Like one of those trucker caps, okay, with the snapbacks. It's not like a fitted cap or whatever, like a snapback, and like bro embroidered on the front of it. That's what I have in my mind for it. It could be like a bro patch, you know, on the front of it, not like a, you know, like an iron-on patch. That would work for me. But like either embroidered bro or a bro patch on the front of it. Is that what you're thinking, JJ? Is that the vision you have for the hat, or is that not the vision that you have for the hat? I really do appreciate it, and now, you know, I feel like I should get a hat made. Is that what you're thinking, or what are you thinking, man? Because, yeah, dude, even if I just use it as a prop, it would be perfect. So, what do you think on that one, JJ? Just a hat from props? Yeah, no. Yeah, okay. I'm completely cool with that. I just want to know your vision on it. 3 more media releases from Satoshi, though. Yeah, 2 or 3, crypto. We need to get these mediums out there. I've been bashing on Satoshi. It's crap that Shiba is slowly turning into a pump and dump, and Satoshi is loading his pockets, and the SEC will make it legal for him to walk away with their money. Yeah, that is true. So the thing that we have to remember, and the thing that I try to remind myself, because I truly do like Shiba Inu coin, okay? I truly do. Shiba Inu coin is just one of these Ethereum tokens that somebody made, renounced the contract, and never did anything with. And it went to 0, yes, but this community rallied around it. The thing that I don't necessarily like, there's no difference in Satoshi coming out and claiming, right, that this mysterious Ryoshi made Shiba Inu coin, and this mysterious Ryoshi speaks to Satoshi, right? Look, okay, I'm not trying, like, I'm all about, okay, believing in something. Trust me on that. I'm not gonna get weird on you guys in here. All about believing in something. But this is the same exact story that you see with stuff like Scientology, that you see with stuff like, well, you know, the almighty figure spoke to me and he said to do this. I am the ordained leader that can speak directly to this creator, okay? To me, that's weird, okay? And I'm not, like, I believe, okay? But when you've got a token and one guy is in charge and he's had discussions with the creator of the coin, who instilled in him the vision that he had for the ecosystem that is being built, and he is the only authority that can take this further. I mean, dude, it works. There are people out there who are literally, like, hand over fist bowing down to Satoshi and anything that he does. But it is like, it is 100% the playbook of every sort of, I mean, I don't want to call Shiba a cult, right? But the ecosystem, you can call it a cult if you want. It is 100% the playbook of everything you've seen play out like that. I mean, it truly is. This creator who left us, he left us with a vision, and this vision is only, you know, entrusted to those that are ordained, and those that are ordained are Satoshi and his select few. And they're the only ones that can create the society that we want to live in. So, dude, stuff does get weird, but don't equate that with Shiba Inu coin. They came in and are trying to pull out of the Shiba Inu coin community and focus on this ecosystem they're building. Bone, leash, Shiboshis, and all of that. They've attached themselves and are trying to pull out of those that believe in Shiba Inu coin, which they should, because Shiba Inu coin is not owned, it truly is owned by nobody, determined by nobody. Summoning thank you. How long does the beta test last, Paul? Soon, and as long as they want, man, and as long as they want. There will be it could last 5 years, dude. It could last 5 years. They will not communicate to us any sort of a timeline, any sort of a schedule, any sort of framework on how long the beta test is gonna last. Yo, this is a pump and dump. Yeah, Sam, I don't think Shiba's a pump and dump, right? I really don't. It could be in the sense that it is 100% driven, the value of it's 100% driven by the community. Like that, I get that. That's every crypto that ever existed. But I don't think it's a pump and dump per se, okay? It truly, like, they're not going to be able to rug it because they don't own the crypto or own the liquidity pool that would be necessary for a rug to take place. Obviously, when retail investors get excited and they FOMO in and they're buying based on emotions, yeah, you're probably going to see it pump up in price and then see it dump in price. I thought he was going to make himself public soon. Yeah, Chris, don't we all wish, man? Clearbro, 8-ball question. Is Shibarium SBF? Now, that's a good question. What do we got? Concentrate and ask me again. Oh, I wasn't thinking. Is Shibarium SBF? Don't count on it. Don't count on it, man. Shibarium is not SBF. Do not count on it. He is somebody else. Good one, Apes. No, I miss AMC will hit 100 next week. No, it's not going to hit 100 next week. Ape love Ape. AMC could hit 100 in like 3 weeks if by some miracle the combined value of AMC, if AMC actually goes up to the next level of resistance at 750 and Ape is trading at 250 and they maintain that value when the split happens and the conversion happens, that's a $10 combined value, and then you reverse split. Yeah, then it could actually hit 100 if it reaches a combined value of 10 and the reverse split happens. But that's not going to happen next week, man. That's not going to happen next week. That would be in like 3 weeks. March 14th, I think, is 3 weeks from now. Clearbro, read the comments. You're ignoring comments. I typed out my comment about Bone 100 times. I'm actually not ignoring comments. Tony D, check out ICP. There you go. I missed that one. There's no option for sending super chats. I missed that one. Can't send any super chats. Missed that one. Let's see. Read the comments. Missed my comment 10 times. Yeah, but where's it at, man? I just read the last 5. Where's it go? Look at the supply of Bone. It's all time. Yeah, the supply of Bone is like 230 million, right? It should be about 230 million. We can look at that really quick. Supply of Bone, 230 million is what it should be. Bone. Supply is at 229 million Bone in existence. Yes. Max supply is actually, I thought the max supply was 250 million. So I do think that CoinMarketCap's got this one wrong. I think that 20 million has been reserved for rewards on Shibarium validators. So I do think that that's actually incorrect. I thought it was supposed to be 250 million. But, yeah, market cap, guys, $422 million market cap on Bone. If you look back over the last year, you could have got this bad boy at 32 cents a year ago. Could have got it at 60 cents a couple months ago, and it is currently sitting at $1.82. Please be aware, however, that Bone did run back in May of 2022 from 30 cents to August up to above $2. And the last time it hit $2, it tanked back down very quickly to 60 cents. So do not think that Bone cannot go back down in value. Please take profits if it starts to dump off. That is something that I would consider doing. Let's see. Timmy! Thank you very much for the green name. Lyman Dave got a green name. Now that's what I'm talking about. Somebody that's in here all the time got a green name. Tim, thank you very much. Guys, don't forget to thank Tim for that green name right there. Absolutely appreciate it. And Lyman Dave, man, glad to see you got that green name once again. Come on down. You're on. The Price is Right. Anybody want to tell me the price of... Anybody want to tell me the price of Acropolis? If you know the price of Acropolis, get your guesses in right now. The person who is closest wins Acropolis. 0.004. Well, you guys have won half a cent. Let's see. Norfolk Southern CEO is going to be on the closing bell overtime. Talking about derailments. Oh, that dude. I can guarantee, man, if that guy came to visit East Palestine, he would not be welcomed. That is true. Oh, holy moly, I have the biggest conspiracy ever. Satoshi is Putin. I highly doubt that Satoshi is Putin. That would be very interesting if he is, man. Satoshi gives Do Kwon vibes. He can have his ecosystem and rich man. I only invest in Shiba and can pray what he want, or other monk or Buddhist. Yeah, 222, man. Dois. Acho que você fala português, né? I think that, I think you're right, in a sense, okay? I don't have any bone. I don't have any leash. And I really don't know if I'm going to get any bone or leash. I see what you're saying completely about this ecosystem control, and I agree with it. I don't, however, believe that Shiba Inu coin can be controlled. Unless, of course, somebody comes in and brainwashes everybody into thinking that they are the creator and that they can make the decisions and kind of control what people do with it. Another bad happens to Shiba because I have right at 8 billion of them, and I just needed to hit 0.25% of a half of a penny, and I'm out. Boom. Chris, man, I love it, and I hope that it does go up, and I hope that you do hit that. And I know, I do agree. I completely agree with that, right? I don't want anything bad to happen to any of these cryptocurrencies. I really don't, man. But I will say this. The entire ecosystem, Bone being minted and going to the developers. People investing in Bone based on Shibarium to create value. They're building Shibarium based on the money that they raised with Bone sales. And the value of Shibarium is supposed to increase the value of Bone. I mean, every single aspect of the Shiba Inu coin, or of the ecosystem, whether you're talking about Wellies and their NFTs, John Richmond and their NFTs, the business, the money they raised, selling these NFTs to further their business purposes with expectations of a profit around every corner. Every aspect of the ecosystem meets the criteria for a security. So the SEC could absolutely come in and rip the ecosystem for that. But I truly don't believe that they can rip Shiba Inu coin, because Shiba Inu coin's been renounced, man. Nobody can necessarily affect the value of Shiba Inu coin unless indirectly affecting the value of Shiba Inu coin, building around it at that point. No money was made on the issuance of Shiba Inu coin. And that's the major determining factor there that separates it from the rest of the ecosystem. Credible Space Call going on right now with Roger Hamilton regarding naked shorts. Heading over there after the live stream with Clay. A lot of CEOs talking about how to attack naked shorting. Johnstown, very nice. Cleitinho, fala português. Sim, Saninho. No problem, Tim. I got you. Heck yeah. Dark Bro, good looking out, bro. Pulls the tinfoil on. Starts making myself a new hat. Homesick with nothing to do except mod the channel and watch stock market info. I'm already done trading for the week, hopefully. Very nice, Frank. It's actually going to lead to a pretty relaxing week for you, man. I have 1,500 Cardano, 900 Matic, 250 million Shiba, $300 in Bitcoin, $200 in Ethereum, 550 WCI, or 55,000 WCI, sorry, which I think I got burned on. I have no idea. I wash dogs for money, and I don't have much. The little that I can add to my portfolio, I just don't know. You know what? Al Pacino, man. That's commendable, dude. And I do think that you got a decent portfolio there. And I don't know if he got burned on WCI. I don't know what WCI is, but I don't know either, okay? I don't know about the future of crypto and all of the SEC regulations that are going to be cracking down on the industry this year, but it's going to get hit heavy. It really is going to get hit heavy. And if you believe in the true idea of a decentralized currency, gosh, like Bitcoin, okay, then I think that crypto can be successful. But there's a lot of people who have kind of taken it to the next level and used it to raise money and raise funds, similarly to how you would do in the stock market. Will Shysterosh Fubar Bone, should he be investigated and punished by Batman/Claybro? I don't know if he should, okay? I actually don't like the idea of any crypto should be investigated and charged by the SEC. I truly believe that if you want to invest in a risky, unregulated market, you should be allowed to invest in a risky and unregulated market. I really do believe that. And I think that people should be able to go out and raise money selling crypto. People should be able to go out and scam if they want to sell crypto. Just to kind of do your own research and invest in projects that you truly believe in, type of a deal. I don't think that the SEC should have 100% governing control of every aspect of business. They, however, believe that. So it depends on what you mean by should. I think that crypto should remain separate from actual securities. But if you're looking at it in terms of the current law and the current regulations, yes, Satoshi should be investigated, as should basically every other crypto project that sells coins to raise funds, that mints coins that go back to a developer. Anything that generates income for the business, and that business uses those funds to increase profitability and therefore increase the value of a cryptocurrency, meets the tests for a security. So in that regard, in that line of thought, yes, they should be investigated and it should be looked into. In my line of thought, no, because I want to keep it separate. If it's unregulated, it's riskier. Don't touch it if you don't like the risk. If you want something that is supposedly regulated by the SEC, you got to go to the stock market. And we kind of know how that plays out there. Is Shib paying YouTubers to promote it? That I can say no. So the only YouTuber that probably ever received payment from the team would probably be, and this is complete speculation, in Hexy, I'm going to get to your super chat in 1 second here, Archangel, okay? Archangel had a YouTube account. He's got a couple thousand followers on YouTube, and he was part of the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team back in 2021. Now, I don't know if he was probably receiving payment. If those other people receiving payment in Bone, I would assume that he was too, because he's part of the team. But I don't know I don't know the situation there. And if he was being paid, it was probably being paid in Bone to do it. But yeah, dude, no, they're very tight knit, man. They don't, even though they make a lot of money in Bone, they're not paying me, at least, or no discussion ever to me to talk or pump or report on Shiba Inu coin. That's what I'm saying. If I want to invest in a risky, non-compliant SEC Ugandan gold mining operation, then I should be able to invest. Hey, JB, look, I know it sounds ridiculous, right, when you say it like that, but I truly believe that you should. If my brother wants to start a business, dude, or if my nephew wants to start a business selling lemonade, and I want to buy the kid a lemonade stand, I'm not going to be taken advantage of. I'm going to expect to get a cut out of that lemonade stand operation, right? But I don't think the SEC should be in charge of my nephew sitting outside on the cul-de-sac there selling lemonade to the 4 people in the neighborhood who want to buy lemonade. I should be able to invest in that without the SEC's regulations there. Doesn't sound as sketchy as your Ugandan gold mining operation, but same concept, right? Hexy, thank you very much. Hey, man, you have a look at PP. Ooh, can you have a look at PP? Yes, I can. Pumping like crazy the last few days. My PP, this dude, man. Oh, boy. I hope this guy is not setting me up for something wild right here. Let's find out. All right, so let's see. What do we got going on here? PP sitting up 13% on the day. Very nice, man. Very low volume, only $35,000 traded today over the last 24 hours. And it has been out since the end of November. So yes, it has been doing very well over the last week or so. It has dropped down to a low, January 5th of 0.000017. And since then, since the beginning of January, has roughly, 5x'd to 0.00007. So it is basically 5x'd over the last month, which is not a bad gain at all, dude. Going from the beginning of February there, 0.000 whatever, all the way up to 71. So from 18, from 17 to 71 is a very nice gain in PP. And if he's got a position in it, it might be getting massive. I don't know. Nonetheless, very low volume. I have no idea what the current supply is, no idea what the current market cap, no idea what any of that stuff is, and no idea what they do or what they're trying to do. Hexy, I really thank you for the super chat, man, and this coin has been running over the last month and a half. So if you guys are making money in it, or if you want a coin that is currently on fire right now, get in, get out, make it quick cash, assuming that you can get out, and it's not some sort of a honeypot, then you could definitely check that out and look at PP. I mean, that's what the ticker is. You guys gotta do it at your own risk. Don't go out there and Google that. As much as I hate to say this, I would trust something called Massive Rug Pull Inu more than Satoshi. There is a rug pull token out there. Adults making adult level decisions. Crypto McDuck, man. Imagine that. I mean, it happens every day, dude. It happens every day. They just want to be in control. Chip Perry, what's going on, man? Just one time in a chat, Twit, or social media, they say, going to the moon will be implied, possible gains, and thus labeled a security. Yes, dude. Yes. AMC, going to the moon, remember. Going all the way to the moon. Sorry, D, sending good vibes. Where's D's at? D, sorry, bro. Just found out a friend's kid is stationed in Italy. Y'all are the best. I think I might have missed something on it, though. But, yes. I don't know what happened in Italy, if something happened. Okay, Clay, to what you just said, if Shibarium is released publicly, wouldn't that make Shib a security at that point, since people will use to generate and move currency and the blockchain and so on? So, the indirect benefit for Shiba Inu coin in Shibarium is that it will burn Shiba Inu coin. Bone in that situation would be considered. You know, there's really no correlation between Shibarium and Shiba Inu coin, except for the fact that there's a contract that will go out there and burn Shiba Inu coin with every transaction. Bone is what is necessary for the blockchain to work. Bone is the reward token for the validators. Bone is what is required to become a validator. And Bone is necessary for any and every builder to build on Shibarium. So the indirect benefit would almost be like saying, you know, the US dollar should be a security because I'm going to go out there and buy a portion of the US dollars with every profit I make. And you know, it's kind of hard to think about because every transaction takes place in dollars. So there's no necessary direct value being created for Shiba Inu coin by Shibarium. And since Shiba Inu coin was never used to raise money or bring in money in some sort of an ICO for a group of entrepreneurs or the developers, you know, it's very difficult to classify Shiba Inu coin directly as a security, in my opinion. Obviously, I'm not a lawyer, and they would probably say that it is, but I think that would be very difficult to come by. The value creator at that point is, you know, different businesses all over the world using the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem, using it as marketing potential, and you know, using Shiba instead of actually generating value for Shiba. No information on PP. Stay away. Yeah, there you go, Ryan Sky, bro. I know how you feel. What's going on? Selling crypto to pay bills. Skystone-ified. Dang, man. Pretty sure men have been predicting that kind of growth. Oh my God, you guys are loving this PP token, aren't you? Let's see. Frank, every single time I look at Oh, God, you guys are awesome, man. Hey, bro, you didn't miss anything. Keychain coming soon, like Shibarium. Snowstorm coming in tonight. D's, man. Very good. Very good, dude. I got 100 bones. Hey, Resonance Kinetics. Very nice, man. I hope it does go up for you and you actually make a ton of money on it. We're just, we're speculating about a lot of stuff in here. And all SEC decisions, obviously, are speculation because I have no idea what those guys are doing. Unlike every other YouTuber and Twitter account, I have no exposed information. I have no leaked information. I have no inside sources that tell me the SEC is going to be cracking down on Bone and Satoshi and all of that. I have no bombshell news that's going to change the game or cause some sort of a squeeze. And I basically got access to public information just like the rest of you guys, man. Let me see here. Dude, you guys got to tell me when you come into the live stream and there's no ad for you. Ridiculous. You're getting hit with an ad right now because you didn't tell me. Guys, 40 likes but 90 people in here. Click the like button. We actually have a chance to get this thing to 100 likes on this stream. Really appreciate that. And I am very disappointed that none of you told me that you didn't get an ad when you came into this live stream. Ryan, that's why I love you, bro. Heck yeah. Yes, and I'm one of those who calls out such kinds of females something. Quick! There's evidence that Binance once received 3.14 trillion LUNC and 1.7 trillion when the blockchain halted. So, it's Binance coins. They got 5 trillion LUNC coins, and most of them staked by all nodes. CZ has a recovery plan. Smushy. That would be amazing, man. That would be amazing. I really don't know. I haven't seen those numbers, so I can't back that up or really refute it because I haven't seen those numbers, man. Always remember, they pay people to spot new trends and investment opportunities. Zero chance these two aren't invested in Bitcoin. Which two? I don't know which one you're talking about. Curtis, no ad. Thank you, man. Thank you. But what about leaks? Oh my God, you guys that could happen. Did you guys actually get an ad when I clicked that, or did literally 9 of you guys get ads, and that's why you're not in here right now? None of you guys got ads. I clicked the button. Michael, thank you very much to the super chat. Nobody cares about info, charts, and stonks. Just fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Michael Allen, the most consistent player in the game, bringing fist bumps every day. Loving it, Michael. Thank you very much for that. 100 likes, people. Come on, do it. Click the like button, guys. You're all the way up to 51. 9 of you, 10 of you clicked it since I said click it. Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, yeah, those guys. Those guys. I highly doubt that they also don't have any Bitcoin, man. And I highly doubt that they're not trying to get one last swing at Bitcoin for their future generation, since they're probably going to die soon. They realize that they can leave a fortune worth of Bitcoin to their families 20 years down the road. Hexy, thank you for looking at my... Oh my God. More info on Nomics. This dude is wild. You are welcome, Hexy. You are welcome. Don't ask me to do it again. No, I'll look at it again, dude. If you pay me to look at it, I'll look at it. Oh, gosh. Hexy, you're ridiculous, man. Patrick, all this PP talk. Speaking of which, thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Man, it just feels so good. For Tony D and his co-workers, I got you. Tony D, man. Thank you very much, Tim. For the super chat. Smushy, see you later. Resonance, see you later. JJ, SD, see you later, bros. Resonance Kinetics, thank you very much, guys. Get your name in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. It is past 5 o'clock, and Patrick says, here you go, Tony D. There's another one for Tony D. Tony D and your friends, man. Thank you very much, Patrick. Thank you very much, Tim. Thank you very much, Tony D. That was the loudest turkey. Oh my gosh, Sled GC, you know you like it. Holy turkeys, you scared the turkey out of me. Mr. Simon, you got to pay attention for all that stuff. We got shout-outs going on, guys, and then we're going to be back with videos tonight at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Please watch them 10 times. Click the like button, all that good stuff. Views are down, and I appreciate every single one of you guys for hanging out every single day. Click the like button on this stream, too. We can still go to 100 before I end. Patrick, man, shout out to you. D, see you later. Old Rounder, Angelo, see you later, man. Tony D, Pika Power, see you later, and thank you very much today, Pika. Slayer, Mr. Simonino, don't be scared, man. Frank, see you later. Rich, Mr. Simon, Resident, see you later. Mr. Simon, Patrick, peace out to you. Michael, Allen, see you later, man. Tim, see you later. Angelo, JB, CJ, killing him. Ryan, Davis, see you later. D's, Crypto, Con El Rules, see you later, man. Meta Pocket, Smushy, Andy, Smushy, DJ, D's, oh man, almost said it, D's, Slayer JC, Richo, Resonance, Aiden, man, enjoy your day, all of you guys, you know what time it is, you want to say it with me, till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Emma, thank you very much. Is the horn getting any bigger? Ooh, the little horn's growing. The little horn is growing. Emma D, thank you very much for the... Thank you very much, Emma D, for the unicorn horned kitty cat with a crown. Really appreciate that. Shout out to you, Emma. Enjoy your evening. JJ Cash, Chip, Lyman Dave, Tim, D's, Crypto, Angelo, Chris, Tony, Alex, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.